Happy September, everybody! Welcome back to my habitat. It's definitely getting cold. Today is a cold day, and it just means that the season is coming to an end, which is really sad. But not before I get another harvest in, and that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna go around, pick my peppers. I have some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and I even think I have some squash ready to be picked. Of course, they're still littered with vine borers, which sucks. But hey, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna reap the harvest that I can. Let's get started. I love the color on these. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, and here's the beautiful striped one. Look at that.
Sorry, is that a cucumelon gone wrong?
Where?
Over here.
Here?
No, it's a tomato.
Oh yeah, that's a tomato in the back. I will snack on cucumelons. I haven't found a recipe for them to be very useful as like a storing vegetable, but they are great just to snack on. They're probably one of my favorite things. Other than peas. Peas are probably still my top. This is the prettiest cucumber I've grown this year. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So we have one delicata squash, I believe is what this variety is called. The only squash this plant has produced, because it got vine borers really early on, and as you can see, this vine is just destroyed. Oh yeah, look at all of them. And those are vine borers. Look at those little assholes. God, they're terrible.
Yeah, that's on.
Dang. Must have been ready because that just fell right off. So the harvest is actually pretty good. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna have, but I love how much squash I have. This is my first year actually getting a squash harvest. Every other year they've been wiped out by the vine borers, and they haven't even been able to produce any, so I'm really happy that they've produced something. And these actually have a really thick skin, so I should be able to store these, although I don't think they're gonna last that long. I'm just really happy that we actually got something. This is like over the last few years where I've really started to garden. You know, the first garden in this backyard only 2 seasons ago. You know, our backyard was filled with these big river stones that you obviously can't get to the dirt underneath them. And then there was tarp underneath that. Me and Daniel put in some elbow grease, moved those rocks away, turned up the soil, and that was our first kind of plot of garden that we started. And obviously this year we added the boxes, you guys saw that. Last year we added all those fabric bags and we've been using them, loving them. Next year we're might even add some more. But every year the harvest just keeps getting better and better and better. The more that I learn how to work in a small space, you know, the better it gets. So I want to say thank you for coming along on this kind of endless journey of fun and knowledge to produce my own food. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay harvesting.